All right, good morning to you. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you. Welcome back, welcome back. This morning, I'm going to take you on a very important update from the United States of Biafra government, the diplomatic update. And I believe many of you have seen this update. But if you have not, this is an opportunity for me to take you there, to give you the update, the latest one in France. All right. So let's just keep our finger crossed as we go through this one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new, and put your comment. Let us understand this in oneness without having any delay. I just want to remind you as we proceed, you are going to see that account, those of you that were here yesterday, when I told you there's one account that I suspect could be Ogenkere, that doesn't joke with any comment, any post from me on X. And that account, I found it also on the comment section on this particular update that I'm about to share with you. Remember to like this video and make sure you keep your eyes on everything that you are going to go through now so that you are not going to be deceived. And this may answer some questions. People often ask, what is USB government doing? What have they done and all that? But those who are wired to to produce or generate negativity, they also have their own question to this awesome news. But we are going to reply them, of course. All I want from you is your open mind and your ear, your understanding. Let's quickly go there without delay. So this happened yesterday. As you can see, United States of Biafra government, decided to bring this update from France. Here, as you can see, United States of Biafra mission France, major diplomatic milestone achieved. So this update was dropped by our brother here. As you can see on your screen, he made this update known to the whole world that USB government have just done, what they should do in France. A big thanks to the United States of Biafra mission France for your resilience and total support. This achievement represents another significant step in our ongoing diplomatic engagement and international outreach. Thank you all, and may God bless the United States of Biafra. So he dropped this dropped this update here, and of course, people begin to get used to what's happened and what US government is doing, most especially in France. Again, he also made this post here saying, official diplomatic documents were submitted to other relevant French institutions, international organizations, foreign entities, members of the international community, global judicial institutions, and diplomatic missions in accordance with our diplomatic engagement efforts. Okay? Then, this is the account that I was talking about. Okay? Ogochukwu Eze. So, we are going to know what he said. Then DPM, of course, retweeted this post and said, thanks for your services to the new Christian nation of United States of Biafra, DPM. Now, I have a few things to say. People often ask this question, what is USB government? Show me what God has done. After the redeclaration of Biafra, what have you done? What is that thing that the government have done? Why are we not hearing to? Why must it be on social media? The fundraising you are raising is for what? How can you say you are in diplomatic move without paying lobby? How can you be? How can you expect recognition without showing us what you are doing? You know why they're asking those questions? Because the expectation is for you to come out, begin to tell them where you want to go, when you want to go, and how you went there. So that so that they will not have a way to design, they will not have a very good chance to design a counter attack for you not to even get the let alone submitting anything. The same people will ask you this question and keep their ear on the ground to find out one or two things they can link up to sabotage whatever you are trying to do. They are not asking this because they want to know. They are asking this because they want to draw you back. Now, in government, there's what is called Foreign Affairs Minister or Foreign Affairs Department. They are the one that is responsible to this kind of move. When you get to the part that requires lobbying, you cannot get involved. And there are some things you need to understand. You don't just begin to lobby when you have not passed your message across. You have to get it, do those basic one. And the way the communication and the effort, the way things are going, then you know whether it's something that need external force or you can continue moving internally. And no matter any means you think that the message is supposed to be passed, it requires fund, it requires money. People working for USB today are working, adding their own money and their own time. They are not working for profit gain. All these ministers you are hearing today are not doing those things because government is paying them salary, but they're doing it because this is our government, this is for my sake, this is for your sake, let's join head together and get it done. That's why when I see people who are not doing anything, you are not even supporting, you are not encouraging, yet you are questioning how the money is being spent, who is spending it, and who they think that is benefiting from the money. They don't contribute, they don't encourage others to contribute, but they want to know how much is being contributed and how it's being spent. Please, what is witchcraft? What is more witch than that? I mean, are you still looking for a wizard? If not this, some people are just, they just give themselves out for devils for devil to use them. Now, this move, what it means is that France, despite that, because all this has to do with interest, but they said a journey of a thousand mind begin with one step. This may be something that US government is to let you know now. Do you understand? This may not be the first time. It may not be the second, and it's not going to be the last. But they keep on giving this effort, pushing to pass the message across. Then, in the other hand, people who are bragging about Washington, they have started going to Washington since 2000. I don't want to lie, but I will tell you the one I'm sure of. Since 2023. Since 2023, they have started going to Washington, D.C. 2023, 24, 25, now 26. They are yet to present anybody with a very credible information. You know why I'm mentioning them now in this particular update? Is because these are the same people that will hide and send something to you on the comment and begin to challenge. They don't want to ask you questions using their voice. No. If they are proud of their actions and what they're doing, why are they hiding? You get the point. There's one called Aburi Accord. On my own comment section on YouTube, he was saying that how can somebody bearing the name Famde, talking to us, our mama Famde or Dokonamba, that she is bearing from D, that this is just a title to give it to people that are professionals in nursing or something like that, and that are into that study the pharmacist, as if we don't know. We know. Then what? He said, why are they hiding with their name? But this person, his name is not just Aburi. He chose to answer Aburi as first name and Accord as a surname. Yet he's one questioning people's identity. When I read that comment, I felt that people that have supported Ogenkere actually feel that, like they are being selected, and they just screen them to know their capacity of their brain and push them to one corner. That's how I feel. Anyway, before I say what I want to say, I think it would be nice for us to go through the comments of that guy that I just mentioned. So when you come down here, this person here, he's here. And what did he say? You guys want to be using ordinary paper. Ordinary paper submitted to a receptionist or security post to be defrauding the zombies following Orabo Fulani. You see why I told you that all of them are very, very evil. Reason why they're evil is that for this guy to say this, that means his brain is working, right? Okay, when you go to office, you submit something to the receptionist or security, which is not that is not what USB did, but he can think like this, meaning that he still have ability to think normal, but he chose not to think normal because he's the one constituting the crime, carrying out the perpetrating the crime, carrying out the crime and the criminality. He's not doing what he's doing unknowingly. He actually doesn't know what he's doing. Do you understand? Now, this is not the only comment. This is not the only comment. Here, he begin to position some of the screenshots. He said, the United States of Biafra does not need recognition by other states to function as a sovereign nation. Now, this statement, this is why I told you that they are not sensible. This statement that he dropped here. Do you remember when they always say that, how can you say you're a sovereign nation and the Nigerian government is still in our land? Are you in control? Are you in charge of our road? Why do we still have police checkpoints? Why do we still have police station in our land and all that nonsense? DPM is trying to tell them what all of us have said, that you must recognize yourself before start looking for that nation to recognize you. Are you following? It requires somebody with, although maybe he have the brain, but he don't want to use. He chose not to use it. You cannot expect people to call you a sovereign nation without you call yourself a sovereign nation. That's why declaration is important. The essence of declaring your state is not for people to know. You can just put it in a flyer, but when you declare it, it simply means that this is where you stand, this is what you believe in, this is what you want, and this is who you are. Solidified it by putting your belief, not after declaring and you run back and say you fall back. The same people will come out and tell you that they are they going forward or they're going backward. I'm actually replying this because I have the time. Because normally we have gone beyond this nonsense. Here again, he said, IPB Nigeria has been submitting letters to all European countries since 2012. What difference does it make now? USB charger limited from Jigawa State have embarked in the same format. No, it's not the same. Now, the reason why I told you that they have been going to Washington DC since heaven knows how, when, without even convincing one. I said one. The man is unable to convince one person, one congressman. All he can do is, handshake, nothing more. Just handshake. The question is that what you're supposed to do? Is that how to achieve the freedom? Are you proud of that kind of thing? I don't think you are. But they have been the first to stick out their neck to talk. They will be the first to talk about other people. Is that not laughable? Now, people that are pushing and making this diplomatic move are not retarded like you guys, like Ogenkere and many of you, that people that are unable to think. They're not they're unreasonable human beings. They're not. So nobody in US government will go to any department and hand over letter to receptionist and or security. No. that's not that, you are talking as if that is a letter bomb. No, this is just a diplomatic move that you see them having conversation. Christopher Kanwa, the video is on his page as well, discussing with Norwegian government. You see it in the short clip. Can you show me since 2023? Show me one clip, just a second video of Oginkere having discussion with any congressman, and that voice is being taped and recorded. Not at all. Only handshake. And these people have the audacity to question other people. You must be a joker. That is why the United States of Biafra government ID card is functioning and stopping unnecessary deportation of Biafrans globally. One of our brothers that's in Japan today, Emeka, he was in Turkey. Emeka Turkey. But those of you that are asking, no, who is this? Who's that? He do chat us when he was in Turkey. Today he's in Japan, and the same ID card and the same United States of Biafra mission, head of mission, is the reason why he's successful. He's now in Japan. Can we say the same thing with you? That certificate forgers and criminals pretend to be agitators. Honestly, I don't blame many of you. The reason is because France has made it so easy for people to come and talk and get away with it. You just talk and yap nonsense, and the road is free. After all, any paradigm that will tell you that we are one, we need to take it easy. We need to understand each other. Who am I to say no? I don't have the right. Do you understand? But so the license for you to talk anyhow has been given to you. So why would I blame you? The useless guy that is talking about giving document to receptionist, please pay attention here. Okay, let me just see if I can. I'm trying to zoom it very well. Okay, I'm trying to zoom it very well. Let me reduce it. I think I don't overdo this one. Let me see if I can zoom, reduce the zoom, because this is how they will lie. They always have a way to destroy what people are doing, pretend that they don't know anything. Just a moment, let me get it fixed, because I think I have gone beyond the... So because of what he said, that document is being submitted to receptionist or security, that's why I have to make sure that we go through these flyers. I have to, readjust my system for a better view. So when you zoom here, you can see the people in the office that received the document. This is a live picture. Okay, here you can see that. This is that our brother here. Do you understand? Look at when they submitted it here, live. The building is here. You can see. Are you following? This is just Justice Department, I believe. You can see here in France. In France. So this is not about, ask Nobo Madeo Kekoro Mapoyas. This is not like Ogegre and his activities. No. The United States of Biafra Mission France is pleased to announce that we have successfully completed the submission of the United States of Biafra USB diplomatic document to the relevant ministries and international institutions in France. Despite the various challenges encountered in the gaining access to certain ministries and offices, we remained we remain committed to our mission, and by the grace of God, successfully completed the submission. So this is it. Diplomatic document submission submitted. Petition for official rulemaking. Notice of sovereign the department reputation. Economic memorandum of understanding. Sovereign decree. Human rights complaint. Japan recognition nexus. Declaration of judicial sovereignty and evidentiary realize USB. France mission envoy documentation, other official documents, other official document instruments and supporting document etc. and other. So everything is well detailed here. That's why I have to zoom it. So people, because if I just talk about it and go, many of you may think that it's just another organ taxes. No, it's not. This is original and it is happening. They did it, and I mean, if you're in doubt, you can also go to Finland, to France rather, and verify. So, my people, I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you think about what we discussed so far. If you know, you know. So this is not a child play, okay? Don't bring your negative thoughts on everything. If you cannot achieve this, allow people that achieve it. I appreciate those that can do that. Take care of yourself and God bless you. Good morning to all of you. Please don't forget to like the video. Very, very important. Don't forget to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. And subscribe if you are new. God bless you. Good morning to you all. Bye bye for now. Okay, Messiah.